Hello, this presentation will be on the great Alexander Pope, one of the greatest English poets of the early 18th century. Alexander Pope was born on May 21st, 1688 in London, England. He was an only child and he was raised in a Catholic home. His father, who had recently converted to Catholicism, was a linen draper. Pope was born in a time where people were anti-Catholics, so the Catholics were very limited to living a healthy lifestyle. Catholics couldn't vote nor attend universities, so Pope educated himself through studying, reading, and poetry. At the age of 6, he was actually able to teach himself how to speak French, Italian, Latin, and Greek. These are some of Pope's famous quotes. Hope springs eternal in the human breast. Man never is, but always to be blessed. The proper study of mankind is man. I feel like this quote, it actually best describes Pope's perception of life. It basically means that the best way to understand mankind is to first understand man. The world forgetting by the world forgot. A little learning is a dangerous thing. Drink deep or taste not the Pierian spring. Fools rush in where angels fear to tread. Nature and nature's law lay hid in the night. God said, let Newton be, and all was light. Happy the man whose wish and care a few patterned acres bound, content to breathe his native air in his own ground. These are some of Pope's major works. He actually, he wrote a lot. And two that I want to get into, well, first is The Rape of Lock. Pope created it in 1712. It is one of Pope's most famous poems. It is one of the most popular mock epic in the English literature. The humorous theme in The Rape of Lock centers the emptiness and lack of seriousness of the upper class. It focuses on the silliness and shallowness of society and their false worships. Another one that I would like to get into is An Essay on Man, which was created in 1733 to 1734. It highlights the importance of education and enlightenment. An important theme in the poem is how we are all put on earth for a reason. We may not be able to understand this order, but everything happens for a reason. The quote, the proper study of mankind is man, it actually came from An Essay on Man. Pope was diagnosed with tuberculosis of the spine. Pott's disease is actually very, very rare. It gave him sort of a hunchback, so it limited his growth, making him only 4 feet and 6 inches. His disease made him very fragile physically and mentally. He suffered from a lot of headaches throughout his lifetime from studying so much. And Pope actually died in 1744 at the age of 56 from congestive failure. Since his death, Pope still had a huge impact on literature. In the 19th century, Pope was highly influenced for his romanticism. These are a few pictures of Pope. Like I said, he did have like a hunchback, so he was very, very short, but I think people still, found him attractive. And these are my reference sites. And I want to thank you for watching.